Hi, Morris. This is Deborah. I have a question that I would like to do more real estate investment. However, I currently don't have a job, but I'm having SSA every month, and I have two properties that are completely paid off, which means I have about 700,000 equity in my two properties. I know I can get probably a HELOC or cashback refinance. But my question is, since I don't have a W-2, all I have is the SSA, would that be a problem for me to get a HELOC or traditional cashback refinance? Or should I get like my son, who is making an earning in Air Force, to be my co-borrower? Thank you.
Okay, all great questions, Deborah. I would recommend, first of all, you book a call with our team at Morris Invest, and we can help you for free. We'll just walk you through these different scenarios on the phone and kind of work it out with you over the phone. I can give you, so that I can help our audience understand a little bit more deeply here why I'm going to answer you the way that I will answer you. Number one, that 700,000 that you have as equity, I would absolutely consider getting a home equity line of credit. Again, I've mentioned multiple times, even in the last caller, I'm not a fan of the cash out refinance. Okay. Because then what you're doing is you're in that situation very often. If you're doing it that way, you're getting a check. They're just going to give you a check for the value. Now you've got a full check and that interest rate, and it's cranking. So now you got to put it to work. I'd much rather have a home equity line of credit that I can use as a revolving line of credit that I can start to buy properties whenever I want, and then I can pay it back down to zero, and I can do another down payment on a rental property and pay it back down to zero. So with 700,000, I mean, you literally with that could be multiple down payments on multiple rental properties using financing, okay? And you don't have to worry, even if you don't have a job. That's where non-recourse financing comes in. So we have a whole bunch of lenders that we work with that are non-recourse lenders, which means they don't care about you, Deborah. They care about the asset that you're buying. And so that's why non-recourse financing is so powerful for people that have some shifty credit scores, or are international investors and they don't have an American presence, or someone who doesn't have a job and is worried about showing that stated income and all of that, right? So non-recourse financing is powerful, powerful, powerful. And our team can help you with that and walk you through that process. In addition to that, if you've got a relative, again, that's where my team can help you discuss, okay, well, let's talk about your son who is in the military. Is there an opportunity to kind of come together and partner, setting up an LLC and purchasing a property together? That's a possibility as well under our partner program. So you could create an LLC, and of course, with non-recourse financing, they would want an LLC anyway. Or conventional financing, using your son as the main person with the job, the W-2 job with the Air Force, and you're providing the money. That's another way to do conventional financing. So again, these are all discussions to have with our team. But you're in a great situation. Forget who cares about the job piece of this. There's all sorts of creative ways to go around that. I just want you to do the right thing creatively as far as it goes for the house that you have, those houses that you have that have equity, tapping into that equity. As I've pointed out before, you cannot eat equity. So why not use that money that the bank is going to give you to make yourself wealthier and buy additional assets that are performing and that are a tax advantage and a tax shelter for you? This is the power of leverage. This is the power of other people's money. Hold on to your money and use the bank's money. So thank you for these great questions today. If you have any questions related to financing, real estate, taxes, motivation, financial freedom, it all doesn't matter. You can go to our website at morrisinvest.com, click on the little microphone icon and leave us a voicemail message. And of course, while you're there, we have tons of great resources on our website. You can book a call with our team for free if you're ready to actually buy a full service rental piece of real estate. That's what our team does. Build brand new construction from the ground up, working with our property management teams, placing a great tenant in the property and cash flowing as part of your rental portfolio. So that's what we do, but we have tons of great blog resources and all sorts of other things on our website. So MORRIS invest.com is the place to go. And we will see you next time, everyone. Take care.